Standard 6th, Subject Geography, Lesson number 6, Importance of Ocean, Part 2. You have studied that the equatorial region receives near perpendicular sun rays. As a result, these areas get more heat, whereas the polar regions receive highly slant rays. This differential heating creates imbalance in the temperature of air in different parts. Warm ocean currents move towards cold region and cold currents move towards cold regions. This means ocean currents move from the equatorial region to polar regions and from polar regions to the equatorial region. This leads to the redistribution of heat on the earth. The cold currents moving towards the equatorial region make the temperature of coastal areas in that zone milder, whereas the warm current coming in the colder regions cause temperature in coastal areas to rise. The oceans are the source of rain. The rainwater flows through rivers and streams and finally flow back into the ocean. This makes it clear that the beginning and the end of the water cycle takes place in the ocean. The ocean acts as the controller of global temperature in the two ways described above. The oceans have a vast expanse, therefore huge amount of vapor get created. This process goes on continuously. From this vapor, the earth gets rainfall. As the regions close to the sea have an equable climate, the density of population is high in these areas. The coastal regions have always attracted man due to its climate, abundance of food, and various products obtained from the sea. In the swampy areas of sea coast and in the areas of estuaries, the soil are saline and the climate humid. In such areas, mangrove forest with tiwari and sundari grow well. The wood of mangrove tree is light and oily. It lasts longer. It is used as fuel and also for shipbuilding. The mangrove forest protect coastal areas from huge waves. These forests also protect the biodiversity in the coastal areas. If these forests are located near coastal towns, they are called the lungs of these towns. Ocean and its resources. Salt as a substance is obtained by constructing salt pans in the coastal areas, as also medicinal plants from the seas. We get precious items like pearls, corals, or ornamental items like shells. We also get mineral oil and natural gas. We also get iron, lead, cobalt, sodium, chromium, zinc, etc. from the ocean floor. Oceanic transport. Water transport is conducted on a much higher scale as compared to other modes of transport. Hence, for transport of bulky material like coal, crude oil, raw materials, metallic minerals, food grains, etc., water transport is given preferences. Oceans have provided us the most economic option of transportation. Large-scale transport of goods is carried out with the help of ships travelers' boats. International trade is carried out on a large scale using a waterways. Countries like Spain, Norway, Japan have a good coastline. Due to goods transport by ocean routes, these countries have gained importance. Ocean currents are quite important in water transport. As far as possible, water transport is carried out along ocean currents. They accelerate the speed of ships and have also saved fuels to a considerable extent. Issues related to oceans. In order to fulfill his requirements, man undertakes many activities. This leads to the production of huge amounts of different types of waste. These waste materials cause pollution. Pollution of economic waters is a major and serious issue that has developed in recent times. Other issues related to oceans are oil spills, releasing the waste produced in the coastal cities into the seas, materials thrown out from ships, exploitative fishing, cutting of mangrove forest in coastal areas, disasters caused by the water mines, sewage released by industries and cities, excavations carried out in the seas. All the things listed above lead to large-scale pollution of oceanic water. Some coastal regions are proving to be death traps for aquatic animals. As a result, many aquatic animals are under the threat of being extinct. The blue whales, some types of sea turtles, and dolphins